Hellebores are some of the earliest perennials to bloom in spring. Here's how to make sure nothing detracts from those pretty flowers. Start by cleaning up any fallen leaves that have accumulated around these shade-loving perennials. Then look for the old, dead, and tattered stems and leaves. They won't just pull away from the crown as many perennials will. You'll need to cut them off. Wear gloves while you work because dried hellebore leaf edges can be prickly. This one had some sedum encroaching in its territory, so we pulled it as well. Now it's ready to showcase its beautiful blooms.
Hi, I'm Kristen with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe to Garden Gate Magazine's YouTube channel. There you'll find tips, design ideas, and how-to help for gardeners just like you. Click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.